to learn about dictionary. So it is the last topic in the built-in function that we already started. So if we learn about dictionary, so it's really help us to know about the built-in function. So what is dictionary? Dictionaries are used to store data, values in key and value pair. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. So just we finished the sets and what is the difference between sets and dictionaries. So main things, the another three built-in data types are quite similar. We can just change some bracket and also some of our changeable items, some are ordered, unordered, or like that. But in dictionary, it's really, I think it's totally new things and it's quite different that the other three types. So in dictionary, we always write two things together, keys and values. So what is keys and what is values? I will just create a new dictionary so it might be uh, clear. So how to write a dictionary? So my dic1, maybe my dictionary 1, we will also use the curly bracket. After that, what is key and what is value? Maybe car, my car, it's a key. And what is the value? Maybe we just car name. What is the name of my car? Maybe BMW. It's the name. And after that, oh sorry, in dictionary it's nice thing, we just create the bracket here. After that we will give the value here. So the car name and maybe the model is 2021. Price maybe 50,000. Okay, so if we just print take one, oh sorry, here what happening here, name error,
একটা টাইপিং মিস্টেক আছে, ওই ডি মাই প্রিন্টের এখানে ডিআইটি একটা বেশি আসছে,
oh
টিটা।
sorry. Oh thank you so much Bhaiya. I have always the same problem because sometimes I just try to do hurry, that's reason I did this mistake. So here, okay, we can see our dictionary is already printed out and all the items comes here as a pair. So car is the key and here is the value. So if we want to create any dictionary, we always use to follow this method. We just give a key and also a value. So dictionary, here I just wrote a dictionary, my dictionary name, age, country. So from this just example, all of you are also know about that dictionary also allow different kinds of data type. You can write here string, integer, or boolean, all you can use in a dictionary. And here we can also use the len function maybe to know about how many items are in a dictionary. And if we want to see the keys, only the keys, so it shows us the dictionary keys, name, age, and country. So we can just print out all the key element together. Sometimes it will be also very important for us to know what is the key element in our data set, and sometimes it's also important to know about what is the values, because here I just create a tiny dictionaries, so from here we can easily see what is the keys and values. But if we work with a big data set, so that time it will be not possible for us to find out what is the really keys and what is the value. So we will need some time to print only the values or only the keys. So that's reason those just things are also very important to know. But it's really very easy, we when we will just to work or create some dictionaries, and maybe the theory that meme already give us, so we can also try to find dictionary, is it work or not. Oh, sorry. Yes, it what is this meme, is it not possible for also dictionary or
डिक्ट लिखते लगा मैं
oh,
DICT
oh only dict. Hmm. Oh yes, it's work. So it's really very important for all of us, because these things are also new for me, and I will be also very helpful from those cheat sheet, so we can easily sometime see what types of argument will be passed in this just data types. So here we can also do lots of things, but here I okay, pop, we can also use pop. So what is pop? Remove specified key and return the corresponding value. So if we just want to delete anything or remove anything, we can also use the pop argument that already I showed in the list, or anything else I already forget about that. So update, we can also update, use here to update um, any dictionaries and values. We can also, I just give the example, how can we find out the values, or how can the mm, just take the keys. So duplicate are not allowed. That means if just I want to, okay, here I just want to show here, okay, it's also
একটা
do,
প্রশ্ন করি এটা হচ্ছে যে
maybe I need some time so I can also know what is the reason. So print length, and also we just key and values. So we also just see it's not allow any duplicate. That means if we just write here name again, anything else, maybe Ronnie. So what happened? Print my dict. So it already ignore the name. So if we write here any duplicate value, so it will remove automatically. So items, here we can also see items means it shows us the keys and values, all things together separately. What is the name? Here keys and values and age, country, everything we can see. And also here we only see the values. And dictionaries item can be any data type. I already mentioned it could be string, integer, and also boolean. And okay, nested dictionary, we can also create the nested dictionary. Nested list, we already know about that. What is nested list? So list inside the list. So dictionary is also, in dictionary is also possible to write any dictionary inside the dictionary. So I just create a very messy dictionary nested. So fruits, and inside the fruits I just give some three fruits, and vegetables I just give two vegetables. So if we print, so it shows us like that, it's the fruits only the key, and all the fruits here, the whole look like that, it's a dictionary is a value, and here vegetable is only the key, and both the rest of the things are the value inside the vegetable. So this way we can also create a nested dictionary. And I have also some, should I wrote something here, or maybe, okay, I just want to show the if else statements that we can also write in a dictionary. For x in okay, my dict or food dict, is it FWD dict dot, we can just take values, and after that we'll just print x. Okay, it's also a nice thing, we can only take the values from this nested dictionary. If we just want to take the keys, so it shows us only those twos are really key. So this way we can also create a for loop, and also we can just take two here, x and y, so it shows us the both thing, value and key and value. So here will be the items. So oh sorry, print x and y both. So here is also nice, we can also just take the keys and values like that. So this way we can also just know about our dictionary. So I also want to say some important things that really very good to know. There are 4 collections data types in Python programming language: list, tuple, set, and dictionary. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable, allow duplicate members. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allows duplicate members. Set is a collection which is unordered, only set is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. No duplicate members. Dictionary is a collection which is ordered and changeable, no duplicate members. So only those 4 lines we can easily just have a just look what is inside list, tuple, set, and dictionary. It is the maybe difference between those 4 things. So today I just want to stop, and now I will